Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add items to cart on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add items to cart on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, first navigate to the product page of that item which you want to add to your cart. So for example, I'll be just searching for a headphone. And after searching for headphones, we are on this. Now open up the product page of your desired product or item which you want to add to your cart. I'll be going just with the headphone. Let's tap on it, and in your case guys, when this interface appears of your product or the item which you want to add to your cart, we can see after opening this product page guys, at the bottom of the screen there is the add to cart button available for us. Tap on the add to cart button at the bottom of the screen and that item will be added to your cart. So let's go back and let's try that for another item, and let's add this item or jacket to my cart. So to do that, let's open up the product page of this jacket, and over here again you can find the add to cart button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on add to cart at the bottom of the screen. You'll be required to choose your size and your color which you want over here, and let's choose the size and the color of the item over here, and let's tap on add to cart at the bottom of the screen. With that being done guys, two items have been added to our cart. So let's go back to check our cart. On the home page at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the cart button available for us just beside you. Tap on cart and you can see guys at the top of the screen, these are the two items we had added to our cart on Temu. And with that being said guys, this is how to add items to cart on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.